Hey there. What if there was a framework I could give you that if you use into your next mobile app project, you would improve the user experience? Would you accept it? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to show you a quick framework that I've used to build successful digital products over time, both web apps, mobile apps, and so much more. Now, this will be quick, straight to the point. Let's dive in. Now, this framework we're talking about today is the GOAT framework. Very similar to how we view the greatest athletes, the greatest musicians, sometimes the greatest artist, the greatest. GOAT, meaning greatest of all time. So we look at this in the same nature of how we build products. The greatest of a time, because technology is always changing. Now, G focuses on the goals. This has everything to do with understanding what result are you trying to get out of this project? What are you trying to complete? And what problem are you really solving? The next is to outline. This particular reference has everything to do with understanding how are things laid out? What is the positioning of things to make all of this work? And how are we thinking to put these pieces together? That's outline. Now, when we touch A, this is where much of the improvements and visual components come into play. Visually, what does this look like? You're asking questions of, does this represent me in a way that reflects who I am? This could be falling in line with the brand guides, adding the aesthetic, the typography, what you're being represented as. That falls here. And then the last, but certainly not least, is to do something, no matter whether you are in sports, building an app, building a home, test. Always be testing. This gives you an understanding of what things may come into play, what you can anticipate, what you can build for, and what you can see allows things to run smoothly. You're checking for errors as well as completion of things in this phase. So, if you were to take this GOAT framework and you implemented all of these things inside of it, you will definitely improve the UX and full performance of your next app project. So that's it. It's the GOAT framework. Remember, we're talking about greatest of all times, the top tier, okay? Now, if you enjoyed this quick tip, please use this in your next project. If you want to learn more, click the link and see all the other content that we have around strategy, design, and more. As a matter of fact, if you really want to learn what things you can add to improve the things in your mobile app, check out the video and I'll see you in the next one.